Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about the fastest way to feel present again. That's right, if you want to feel present again, I'm going to be going over something that is super quick, super easy, super effective, and it's one of the fastest ways to feel present again. I believe that it is probably the fastest way that you can feel present again because it can work in a matter of a couple of seconds, okay? So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point. Here's what you should do. You should use your senses, okay? It does not have to be all of them, but at least it has to be some of them. So, you got to use your senses. So just use your senses and use your senses to basically tell you what's going on in the present. So let's just say, one of my senses is touch or feel, right? So I could go like this and say, yeah, I feel my finger. I could say, I feel the string over here on my sweater. I could say, I feel my glasses. And then I could use the sense of sight. So I could say, I see cars in a parking lot, right? I see a fence. I see greenery around me in the form of trees and so on and so forth. I could use my sense of taste. I have some water beside me. I'm not going to drink it now because I just had some. But I could say, I taste water from my water bottle. Excuse me. Excuse me again. I could say, I taste my burp. Actually, I've been eating really healthy and I've been, avoiding snacking and stuff like that. So I actually haven't had anything to eat in I think at this point, maybe about 13 hours or something like that. So my burp actually tastes like nothing. But if I did have a flavor of my burp, I could say, I taste my burp, right? I could say, I taste my saliva right now, right? I could say, smell. I smell and just the slightest sense of like a car smell because I'm in my vehicle. So I smell, I guess, the material of the car, right? So you can, what your senses are, hear. I could say, I hear the sound of the center console moving the slightest bit when I touch it, right? And you could combine them. So you could say, I'm touching the center console and I'm hearing it as well. And I'm seeing it as well. That's combining your senses. Now, this is something that I truly believe will work. And I think literally, like if you take a few seconds and you just go over a few fast senses, like what do you see? What do you feel? What do you smell? Boom. Very fast. Your immediate answer of what comes to your mind, right? I feel like it would just allow you to feel present really, really fast. And I feel like this would work really well. And that's it. That's it, and it's just a side note. This is random, but just because I was talking about starting to not snack as much, and I've been doing a little bit of like intermittent fasting to a certain degree. Sometimes I'll fast for 12 hours. Sometimes it'll be more like 16 hours, 15 hours. I kind of just go with how I feel. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. But yeah. We usually finish dinner by about 5:30-ish, and then I'll either eat breakfast sometimes, like on the weekend I'll eat breakfast, that might be 6:30, something like that, let's say 6:30 to 7 in the morning, something like that, or sometimes, a lot of times during the week, I won't eat until like 10 o'clock or 10:30, so I'll get from like a 5:30 to like almost like a 10:30 on a really good day, I'm gonna be honest with you, at the time of filming this, yesterday was my birthday. By the time you see this, I film my stuff in advance, so it'll probably be a little bit decently in the past with regards to when my birthday was by the time that you see this. But yesterday was my 39th birthday, so we did have cake a little bit later, a little bit after dinner. So my fasting today might only be like from, say like 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, right? So it's a good amount of time. But anyways, so it's, it allows me, when I do that, when I burp, I'm used to tasting like some food or something, but now I tasted nothing, right? So that, just the fact that I could say, here's how it all comes together, okay? I know I was blabbing on. Just the fact that I can say, wow, I tasted nothing when I burped there, right? I tasted basically nothing when I burped. Just the fact that I can say that allows me to feel more present because I know that I'm usually I would taste some food, but now I taste nothing. So it allows me to feel present because I noticed that. So when you notice things, it helps you feel present, and your senses help you notice those things, right? So I know you're like, why did this guy talk about his burp so much? That's why, because it allowed me to feel present when I tasted nothing. When I'm like, usually I noticed that I tasted nothing, whereas usually I would notice that I would taste, some food or something. Usually I would even have coffee by now, but I didn't even have a coffee yet this morning. So I've literally nothing, right? I just brushed my teeth and had some water. So anyways, that's how your senses allow you to feel present again. And also that's how I told you that just even though when I burped and I tasted nothing, that's how it basically allowed me to feel present again. Not that I didn't feel present before, I already felt present, but it allowed me to understand how the senses allow me to feel present. Anyways, I feel like I've blabbed on, but I over-explained it. Use your senses to feel present. I've told you some examples, and then I gave you a real-life example of me burping and tasting nothing, and how that allowed me to feel present. And hopefully you can use this information to help yourself feel present once again if you're struggling with that. But that's it. I thought this was going to be like a 2-minute video, and I ended up blabbing on, but I really gave you lots of examples and I really over-explained everything. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can take something from it. And yeah, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.